With the battery rebate in full swing, batteries are everywhere right now. But why do so many people still feel confused? People hear Powerwall, backup, VPP, rebates, and it all blends together. A Tesla Powerwall is an excellent solution when it's chosen for the right reasons and the right household. By the end of this series, you'll understand the basics: what drives savings, what backup really means, how VPPs work, why install quality matters, and how incentives typically apply. I'm Kristi-Lee from Platinum Solar Designs in Kiama. We install Tesla Powerwall systems across the Illawarra and South Coast. We answer these questions every day, so we made this series to keep it simple. If you want help now, the blog guide is a great place to start. You can send through your bill, book in for our next battery information night, or ask for a quote, and we'll help you make sense of the options for your home. I look forward to helping you understand batteries, and I'll see you in the next video.